So welcome back students. We'll continue from the previous video. We'll see which are the places where we can use the quasi models. Used to show the habits in the past. My grandfather used to walk for long hours when he was young. We also learned a little bit of ought to as well in the previous video. We'll do it once again. It shows duty. It shows you can use it for moral obligation, and also you can use for necessity. The examples for to show your duty. You ought to submit your assignment on time. It's your duty. Moral obligation. We ought to help the needy. It's a moral obligation request. Necessity. We ought to hire some furniture for the party. That is necessary. Then the same way, used to, and the next one, need to. It can be used to show necessity and also to show moral obligation. Necessity. I need to buy a packet of milk. Necessity. Moral obligation. We need to keep our environment clean. Then the last one, of course, is dare to. Boldness. I dare not go out in the dark. Boldness. It shows courage. I dare not go out in the dark. And challenge. No, you can say sometimes you say dare or truth or dare. No, so that is so when you use dare there, no, that is a challenge. How dare you enter my room? So these are the places you use the quasi models. So well, now you would have got an idea where to use the models, but you would have seen that more than in one place. Many models can be used in more than one place. Sometimes not a single model, multiple models can be used for one single purpose. So the mood of the speaker and the purpose is very important when you use them. So on the next page now, page number 14, you can see the exercises. Now let me read out the answers. You can copy down and note down the answers, which I'm going to dictate now. Now the first one, there is task number 1. The candidates, this one here, should answer 5 out of 10 questions. I'll just dictate the answer. You can copy down and then we can read it and you can find out the mood of the speaker. The second one, how dare you open my bag? How dare you open my bag? Third one, Tajuddin can finish this work by Monday. Tajuddin can finish this work by Monday. Then D, may I go to school today? May I go to school today? Then E, I wish you could tell me the truth. Then next, Poonam could not catch the bus yesterday. Then next, there is G, people who live in glass houses should not throw stones. Then H, you need not go to the market as I have brought vegetables. Then I, should you have taken all this trouble? Should you? Then J, you must be joking. Then K, I tried to climb up the tree but could not. L, Hima Das ran so fast that she could win the medal. M, you can lead a horse to water but you can't make it drink. Then N, I would like to have a cup of coffee. I would. Then O, my grandfather used to visit this temple when he was young. I think all of you would have noted down the answer for this. Now let us move on to task number 2. Complete the following sentence with models using the clues given in the bracket. You dash help the needy, moral obligation. You ought to help the needy. Then B, if I were you, I dash not behave like that. Conditional sentence. I would not behave like that. I dash never tell a lie. Determination. I will never tell a lie. Then D, this is about possibility. My uncle may have reached by now. Then E, it is compulsion. The patient is critical. He must be taken to the hospital. F, I, past habit. I used to play hockey when I was a student. G, you, that's an order. You should not attend my class. That's an order. Then H is possibility. He might come today. Sorry, H is a remote possibility. He might come today. Very less possibility. Then I, it is about regulation. You should follow the traffic rules. Regulation. Then J, it is about willingness. He would play the match. And K, it is about necessity. You need not waste time on it. Necessity. And the last one, it's about probability. Had the doctor come in time, he would have saved the patient. So these are the answers for the task which is given in your textbook, task 1 and task 2. I hope all of you would have understood what is a model. And if you look at the previous page, the kind of now when you go through all those moral, the behavior, the moods of all those things, then you will understand why the answers which we chose are apt for these blanks. Hope children, you understood all these things. I want you all to copy down the answers in your textbook, and like many students who have done for the past video, you can take a snapshot and send it to me. So once again, I'll meet you in at another class. Until then, this is your English master Saran Chanda signing off. Goodbye. Have a nice day.